Hey everyone, want to manage sprints in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to create, organize, and track sprint-based projects using ClickUp step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, create or select the *** where you want to manage your sprint workflow. Now enable ClickUp features that support sprint management, such as *** sprints ***, backlogs ***, and Agile project tools. Create a sprint folder or list where you can organize your upcoming sprint tasks. Next, add tasks to your backlog and review them with your team before starting the sprint. A well-organized backlog helps you choose the right work items. Prioritize your tasks by adding importance levels, estimates, tags, and other details needed for planning. Now create a new sprint and move selected tasks from your backlog into the sprint. Assign tasks to team members and set clear goals for what the sprint should accomplish. Use ** board view ** to track tasks through stages like to do ***, in progress ***, review ***, and completed ***. Monitor sprint progress using dashboards, sprint reports, and workload views to identify delays or blockers. Hold regular sprint reviews and update your backlog based on completed work, feedback, and new priorities. Finally, analyze your sprint results and improve your process for future sprints. And that's how to manage sprints in ClickUp. By organizing backlogs, planning tasks, tracking progress, and reviewing results, you can create a more effective Agile workflow for your team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.